Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got this LED ring light kit that I got off of Amazon and I wanted to share it with you. I'm going to have to turn the box to get it open. Okay, and this is how it came packaged. It does come in with some instructions. So there's all the instructions. We might have to refer to these. It comes with the ring light. It is bubble wrapped. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. There's where it's done. Sorry. So this one is one you can use with your cell phone, which I thought was really cool. I know a lot of my friends here on YouTube do their recording on their telephone. So it's got a USB cord to plug into like your computer, and it's got to where you can up, down, on, and off. I like that. That is so cool. It's got a place for the stand and a place for the clip for this, I would imagine, for your phone. Let me set that there. So that extends to hold your phone. Very, very cool. Very nice. So you can use a clamp. Oh, I like that. And it's also got a remote. Isn't that cool? Love it. And it also came with this little bag with the stand in it. Of course, I'm going to have to do some camera rearranging and maneuvering to get all of this in frame. So here we go. I do like it so far. Dig it, dig it. Alrighty, so I'm going to get this kind of set up and we'll go from there. I'll show you what I can show you. Alrighty, so well, I guess I could start from the very beginning. So here is the end of the tripod, and it screws right into the lamp. And this is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. I didn't take dimensions or pay attention when I was ordering it. So, just going to get that screwed on there. There we go. Love it. Alright, let me get some more stuff moved around and we'll continue this. Okay, so excuse my Mickey Mouse pants. I am in my Slob Mama wear, but I did not want to wait for this to share it. So down here, you can extend the legs the way you want them if you need them skinnier. You can do it like that, or extend it out. I personally like it like extend it out as much as I can, and then screw that down tight so that it doesn't move around. To make sure I've got it good. Okay, and then I'll get this moved around some. It's got these extending, you can extend it quite a bit. I'm liking that. You can keep it short, make it go tall. Okay, I'm only like 5'2", and so I guess this comes up probably about 4 foot. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. But I am going to lower it for showing purposes. So, alright, so here we go. We've got everything down. Alrighty, so this end you open the clamp up. There's a little clamp there, like that. And I'm going to pop it open. And you've got to use it on this top part because the other extensions are too fat. So, I'm going to open that up, slide it on there, and then clamp it on. And that is sturdy. That is not going anywhere. Now, you've got your phone. I'm going to move the light part out of the way for just a minute for us. I love that it'll go straight up too. This is totally movable. You can do it down, you can do it sideways. That is really nice. Alrighty, I'm back. I had to take the case off of my phone to make it slimmer, to make it fit in there. But look how awesome. I love it. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Okay, now for the test. Okay, so it does have a USB plug, and I have one of those adapters that can plug into the wall. Now, if you're doing this near your computer, you can totally just plug right in. So there we go. We're plugged in. Let's see. Alright, so I got my phone down here on it, and I do have the light on. I kind of put it up at the top so it wouldn't just be totally glaring, but you can dim it down with the clicker, and you dim it back up. You can change the mode from, you know, like the blue light to the yellow and something in between. I don't know what they call that. So you got yellow and warm white color exchange, so that's pretty neat. And then of course you just, well, let me dim it down now. So you just can tilt this down and it will be perfect for filming stuff like pajama bottoms. So I really do think this is cool. I like the size of it. I like that it's not just honking huge, and you could do it on a desktop or floor because it's got the ability to go way up high. I love that it's got the different shades. This is one of my favorites, like the blue light. So that's pretty cool. I just think it'll be really neat. Okay, so I thought I would give you a looky-see of what it looks like, you know, hooked up and standing on the floor. Now the phone doesn't tilt as far down as I would do for making manicures, but if you're doing like makeup videos, that would be great. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. I mostly did this for, you know, like my YouTube and friends, but even if you're not YouTube, and if you just take still photos and post your pictures on Instagram or take photos of things to share with people, this would be great for that. And, you know, with this little clip right here, it's like my other big ring light where you can, you know, it's got an attachment to where you can slide, well, it didn't come with this kit, but you can slide your camera on the end of it. And I just think that that is wicked cool. So like I said, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this little handy dandy light. Like I said, I got it on Amazon. I will find a link and leave it down for you below. And I think this one was about $36, $37, something like that. And I think it's really great because it came with the light, the stand, and the phone clamps. So that's pretty cool. So that is it. I'm going to let you go now. I appreciate you stopping by and watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon.